Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about how to set units in Autocad. In this topic, we share knowledge regarding unit importance, unit types, and how to find units option in Autocad. So class, let's get started. Today's topic. Class, we all know Autocad is extremely flexible about drawing units. Usually, we choose the type of units that we normally use to talk about whatever we are drawing. Mostly, feet and inches are used in the US, and that means millimeters, are used in the rest of the world. During the drawing setup, we choose setting for the length units for measuring linear objects and distances, and angle units for measuring angle between non-parallel objects or points on arc or circle. There are three ways or methods for displaying unit setting window. First method is directly putting UN from our keyboard. UN is the short form of units. Now we will see units option is displayed. Now press enter. Now here we see drawing units option is displayed. Okay, here there are several options like length, angle, intersection scale, lightning. Okay, now we will see the other two options. The second one is put UN in command bar. Here we see we will putting UN. Now we press enter. Here we go. Drawing unit displays open. Okay. Now close this window. Last one is upper left corner at AutoCAD logo or application menu. First click on it. Now scroll down and select drawing utilities. Now we will see units option right side of the drawing utilities. Now click on it. Here we go. Drawing units option is displayed. Now one by one we will see drawing units types. First we will see length units. There are 5 types of length units. First is architecture, second one decimal, third one engineering, fourth one fractional, and fifth one scientific units. Okay. First is architectural units. These type of units are based in feet and inches. It uses fractions to represent partial inches. Basic or generally, architectural units are used in building construction, that means civil engineering work or architectural work. Second one is decimal units. Decimal units are unitless. That is, they are not based on any particular real world unit. With decimal unit, each unit in the drawing could represent an inch and millimeter. Third one is engineering units. These units are based on feet and inches and use decimals to represent partial inches. Fourth one, fractional units. Fractional units are like decimal units. These units are unitless. It shows values as a fraction rather than the decimal numbers. Last one, scientific units. Scientific units also unitless and it shows values as a exponent. Are used for drawing really large things. If you design molecules or galaxies, this is the unit type for you. This is the best for scientific use only. Now we will see angle units. In angle units there are 5 types again. First is decimal degrees, second one is degree million second, third one is grad, fourth one is radians, and fifth one is survey units. Class, generally decimal degrees, degree, minute, second, and survey units are used in AutoCAD. Grad and radians both are not widely used in drafting, so these three are most important. Okay, class, I hope you are now understand the basic idea on units, units type, how to find units option in AutoCAD, how to set units for the drawing. So if you like our videos, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in CAD software. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. See you in the next video.